It still doesn't even feel real. I own an IMSA car. Even I still can't believe it. Let me tell you a story of how all this happened and why I bought this race car behind me. The year was 2007. I was a senior in high school and I was 18 years old. My grandfather called me up one day and said, "Hey, do you want to go down to the Rolex 24 with me?" I had never even heard of the Rolex 24. I had never even been to a race. And I was a part of the car culture. The tuner scene was huge back then. And sure, we had internet, but I had still never heard of the Rolex 24. I never knew there was a race where all of the automotive giants went down to Daytona, raced each other for 24 hours straight to see who came out on top. And from that moment on, racing was a part of my life. And the Rolex 24, it was engraved into my heart forever. I went back the next year, 2008, and I took two of my best friends from high school. And it was at that special part right before the race. All the cars are parked out on pit lane. The drivers are there. The pit crew's there. The national anthem plays. Everything got quiet for me. And I'm sitting up in the grandstands and I'm looking down on all the cars. And I'm in that moment of life where I'm still very young. I had just started college. I had no idea what I was going to do for the rest of my life, or even what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. And when the Grand Marshal said, "Drivers, start your engines," I get this feeling, this tingling from head to toe. And I heard God say to me in that moment, "You're going to be there one day." But here's the thing. Hearing the voice is one thing. Getting there is a completely different story. I was a broke college student. I had no money. I had no family that knew people in the industry. I certainly didn't have a race car. And most people think it takes millions of dollars to race an IMSA. And on one hand, that is absolutely, completely correct. And on the other hand, they're completely wrong, because I found a back door. In the next episode of this Road to Racer series, I'm going to tell you how I went from watching the race in the grandstands to working for one of the most legendary Porsche teams, Brumos Racing, while in college. And if you want to know how to break into pro racing with zero budget, you need to see this.